What's going on, my peoples? What's going on? Welcome back, man. This is something real light, man, to keep the momentum going here on the channel. Today, man, we taking off a Gbody steering wheel. Gonna replace it with a Rucci steering wheel. Basically in a LS Monte Carlo, same LS that y'all seen before. They got them Rucci banks put on it, man, on 24s. That silver one that look oh so clean, my homeboy or whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and get this steering wheel changed out. You did. So far we've already taken off the cover here, which all these covers on these Gbody is gonna be a little bit different. On SS, all you gotta do is just take off that, that SS logo, that circle cap in the center. On this one, this style steering wheel, you gotta take the two bolts, which were 7s. You take those two hex bolts out from the back end. They went back here. You can see the two holes here, and then this whole cap comes off. The whole center cap come off. So that's that. You take that off. And then my boy already took off the locking pin that was on there. I don't know what he did with it. Okay, there it go. So, a little locking pin that was holding this in. So, all you gotta do is just pry that off using a flathead. And we're gonna shoot this off. What size was this, Kane? What size was this?
21 millimeter.
Alright, so this was a 21 millimeter. 21 millimeter socket. So he gonna go ahead and zip this off. And I already had a steering wheel pulley kit. I done took these off before. So it comes with a couple little different little gadgets. Yeah, gonna shoot it off. So this is one, like a puller on both ends, but we're not gonna use these two silver things at the bottom. We're gonna use bolts. And then you literally, now that he done zipped that off, we can go ahead and take it off. So you literally gonna just screw these in. Let me see, what did I do with that other one? Hold on, take that. Don't screw it all the way in. Okay? As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna let my homeboy do this, cause he hasn't done this before. So I'm gonna let you do it, Kane. This the other one, I think. Yeah, that's it. All right. So we're gonna do away with this. So we're gonna take these silver pieces off. All right. And we're gonna use this, and then basically this is going to hook up like, it's gonna hook up like this, and we're gonna screw this in here. And then literally all you got to do is zip this black bolt down, and it's gonna pull that steering wheel off, man. So these things are really simple to use. It's it don't take a genius to do this at all. So let me see, we're gonna go and zip this in real quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna zip that in. I'm gonna take the other one, put it on the other side. Actually, let me unzip this bolt loose. And then as soon as my homeboy get in here, I'm gonna let him finish this up. Alright. Alright, King. Here, yeah, screw that in that other one. Yeah, screw this one down too. Easy stuff. Yeah, I only think it only go down so far.
Okay.
Now this one ain't go down no more. This other one couldn't.
Okay, that's a little. Okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to be tight, but this one ain't go down no more.
No.
Oh, all right, they both are the same.
What about a 16, 15.
Yep. So he already got it hooked up. So boom, it's in place. All he got to do now is, so you can see where that, this is the steering wheel's a press fit, so you can see where that's lining up at. Let me back this out. I like this shit to be centered. Just me being anal again. I'll show you ain't gotta be, but it's just me. There we go. So again, he gonna throw a socket on there. You said it's a 16?
Yeah, it gotta be a 16. Yep.
Alright. So he literally gonna zip it down and it's gonna come off.
Go forward, right?
Yeah. There you go. It's already off. So boom. Gonna pull it all the way off. It's off. Oh, I'm gonna zip these on loose. I got you, bro. And now all we gotta do is figure out how to put the. Damn, that should take forever. What? All right. Oh, that contact. There you go. Bam. Steering wheel off. So part one done. All we gotta do is figure out how to put this Rucci wheel on, and then bam, in the game again. You did, so stay tuned. Alright, so all you gotta do is literally reline everything back up. It's being that it's compressed fit, all you gotta do is add that bolt. Add that bolt in. Very important, make sure you got this on here straight, because once it's on there, it's on there. You have to keep pulling it on and off, and you want to make sure you don't got the splines like all messed up, all out of whack. So
always at the bottom.
Yeah, so what I like to do is make sure my wheels are straight in the front, and then that way you can line your steering wheel up to make sure it's straight, and then boom. So that's exactly what he did. And we're gonna zip this back on, put this in place. I'm gonna show y'all what the final product gonna be. You did, so it's definitely, it's gonna be nice. I didn't even realize my boy had the floating cap on the steering wheel, but he do got that floating cap. You did, so stay tuned. And then once you zip it down, it's only gonna go down so far.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Looks like it's still turning. Think it should go a little bit more?
Yeah, because like, look at you see the gap?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down just a little bit, not too much more.
I think it's going down even.
Yeah, it's going down even, look like it. But that's how I look like.
You see it suck down?
Yeah. Alright, that's good, that's good. Because you reached that back end of that cap. Alright, what about over there? You see that little purple cap? That little centerpiece? You see it?
Oh, talking about the gold thing?
Yeah, it's like a little purple little cap. Hold on. Alright, so literally, this is the last part, getting this locking pin. I like to get this pin all the way back towards the bolt as far as possible. So we're gonna pick it down. Look like we got this side down, but we're gonna get that other side down. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this down, and we're gonna put that cap on. We're gonna see what's to it. You did. All right, so it's all the way down, man. So now that screw won't back out, I'm gonna let my boy do the honors. I'm gonna put this cap on that bit. You know what I'm saying? Floater.
That's the last piece of the puzzle, dude.
Yep. Alright.
Let me see. Think about it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. 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 Alright, man. So let me go and get this thumbnail real quick.
If I need to fire this bitch up.
You gonna fire it up?
I gotta put some on.
Let me hit that. Alright, so it's all done, man. It's in. Yeah, man. Definitely in. And it look good. You know what I'm saying? Nice and tight. Seat on Rucci down there. Y'all already seen them boys before, so my man is in the game. It did. In the game. So again, man, ain't nothing really. Oh, is that zone on that bit? No, ain't nothing really to it. Quick little ooh-ah. You know what I mean? Bolt here, bolt there, unscrew. Especially when you got that impact.
Yeah, impact stay high.
That impact do it all, you did. So, man, appreciate y'all for checking in. Like I said, quick little filler, man, so we can keep that momentum going. And we gonna do exactly that, dude. So, appreciate y'all checking in, and man, we're gonna holler back. You did.